Hi, my name's Haley Sprankle, and I'm with Brit+Co. It's so nice to meet y'all.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I am so excited about this movie. It's giving contemporary You've Got Mail. And so I'm curious, how are you celebrating Meg Ryan fall? Because we're really in the season. I mean, it's October.
Oh. Well, I have a different kind of fall. Mine's more like spooky Halloween fall.
Ooh.
Okay.
Personally, so I'm watching like Hocus Pocus, The Craft, Practical Magic, Twilight,
Okay.
the classics.
I love
You?
that.
I'm like the non-scary side of like the soft Halloween,
Like Frank and Weenie.
like Casper the Friendly
Oh,
Ghost.
you were kind of like, while you're in the middle of shooting a really busy TV show, I'm sure.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna be in Croatia for Halloween, so I don't know what they do there. We'll find out.
That's amazing. Croatia sounds so fun. I'm kind of a mix between the two. Like, I like a scary movie, but I also want like a cozy kind of vibe. I think this movie is also so fun because it really subverts stereotypes. Like, Charlie is so freaking handy, and like, that is one trait that I do not relate to. And so I'm curious, are either of y'all good at fixing things? Like, do you have a time where maybe you surprised yourself by something you put together, be it IKEA furniture or like going full Sydney Sweeney on a Bronco?
I have IKEA furniture that doesn't have like dresser that doesn't have the doors on it. So how do you even put those parts on? Those parts on. I would not say I'm the most handy. No, I wouldn't. If duct tape doesn't fix it, I'm probably screwed.
I have the do-it-yourself gene, so I will convince myself I can do anything. So all of the paintings in my house are hung by me. All of
Oh,
the,
same, but like with
like
a nail. Like,
oh no, I do the full
no
thing.
skill.
I do the full thing. I put all my furniture together if it need to be. But you know me.
It's
I'm like,
probably on, what do you, a
yeah,
stud finder?
yeah, 100%.
I don't have one of those, so it's probably,
100%. You know me. I'm a
So
DIY kind
Madeline,
of girl.
no, I
you're the
know.
one to call when someone's moving, then is what I'm hearing. It's
No,
like
but you know what I will do
You
is
said,
I
"Don't
will
you call
pay
me."
for your moving company.
Hey.
Love you.
okay.
Not that you need that, but
No, no, no. No, you offered.
what's it called? What's the move away one? I'll post it for you.
I have no idea.
Northway moving or whatever.
Incredible. No, I mean, just the way
Oh,
that y'all are laughing with each other really leads into my next question is like female friendships are so important in stories. And so clearly y'all are very good at fostering that kind of environment with each other and very likely with others. And so I'm curious if you have like the best friendship advice you can give people because I know it can be rough out there with friends and I don't know. I was just listening to Taylor Swift's Actually Romantic. Like the girls are fighting. So I'm
Oh.
curious what you guys are, what advice you might have.
I would say in tune with this movie where we see these three friends that maybe on paper don't have the most in common. I think a good advice for friendship is to embrace each other's like differences and also don't be scared to lean on your friends. I think people I don't know, sometimes with your circle are hesitant to lean on them when you really, really need them. And I think just trust that people will have your back because I think everyone wants someone to show up for them. And yeah,
I second that.
sappy.
That was very tender.
That's very sweet. I'll always be there for you.
Yeah, call me if you need to move.
Yeah. Don't call me.
Don't.
Don't call me for that.
If you
Anything
need me
else?
to hang a
Though,
picture, I'll estimate.
I'll estimate for
It'll be,
you.
if you look at it like this.
Slightly askew.
That's incredible. Did y'all have any favorite ways to hang out while you were between scenes or when you were, clocked out for the day?
We did a fair share of escape rooms.
Escape room.
Tell me
The
everything
first
about that.
okay, our first day, my first time meeting, not first time meeting Mads, but
Yeah.
first day on set. I was sitting there, I was kind of quiet-ish. I think I'm quiet. And then she was talking about this app for escape rooms. I was like, wait, are you talking about the Morty app? And she was like, no way. And I was like, wait, this is the nerdiest
Because
conversation.
nobody has Morty.
No, it's the nerdiest conversation I've been able to have. And
So we did our fair share.
we knew what was on the schedule. We were like,
We
have to go
became
escape
like
room.
instant friends in that moment.
Team
Is this
bonding.
something that you do often? Like both of you are just escape
Yes.
room enthusiasts?
You know they opened a new one, by the way. Here.
Here?
Yeah, Panic Room on La Cienega. I did the first one. We have to go. Yeah, no, I've done almost every
Wait
single
till
one in
I'm
LA.
back town. Don't play.
I won't do it
wait.
anymore. I'll do one.
Okay.
I'll wait for you.
Okay.
No, I've done almost all the ones in LA. It's like actually a problem.
Oh,
I have
remember when we
issues.
did that one where we did like break the thing?
That was so fun.
That one was fun.
Yeah.
See, that sounds very stressful to
Yeah,
me.
she's
I need to channel y'all's problem-solving energy or something. I get
It's
very
like a
stressed.
high.
It's just it's panic, and
You- you
everybody
panic.
lock in. Everyone,
Lock in or sit down.
if you're here to joke
You're gonna
around,
fuck around, get out.
Okay,
No, we take
this-
that shit so seriously.
because we're escaping. Like, what's not gonna happen?
I've never not escaped.
I'm not gonna say never. But
Oh.
one time I did escape room with my dad, and we didn't
Okay.
escape, and
That
I
doesn't
literally
count.
gave my dad the silent treatment. He was like, "What is wrong with you?" I'm like, "You don't understand. Like, you're messing with my reputation.
My reputation's at steak pops.
It's on the line."
That's incredible.
The shock.
That's honestly iconic. I'm obsessed with that. And I feel like both of y'all have your own reputations before this project that you worked on together. So first, I want to start with this is for both of you. Do either of you guys have a favorite line from Riverdale? Because KJ told me his was the highs and lows of high school football. But I was curious if either of y'all have your own favorite Riverdale lines.
Do you have your favorite Riverdale line?
I
Did
would
you even watch
just
that show?
like to watch. I watched a season and a half.
Okay.
Or two. And then my favorite is just a clip that I've seen of Mads on a broom singing. And
There's
it's
no
not.
broom. I'm
it's-
just singing.
Oh yeah, no,
I'm
yeah,
floating.
you're just you're levitating. I
That's
forgot.
actually really mean that you bring that up because I'm pretty sure I told you, like, I exactly told you that I hate that scene. I think I actually told you, like, 100%. I maybe showed it to
Unfortunately,
you and
it's
told you that I
burned in my
hate it.
brain.
Yeah, that's nice.
And when I think about the show, I think about that moment.
That's really fucked up.
I can't remember the line.
I'm singing. I'm singing. There's no line. And there's tears coming down my face. Cool.
It's my ringtone.
That's amazing.
Oh my god.
Killing you sleep.
My favorite line is probably, she's crazier than a serial killer on bath salts, but so what?
That's awesome. And perfect for the season. Perfect for the spooky
Yeah.
season vibes. I love that.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
And so coming into another very iconic TV show, I'm wondering if there's anything you can tease about Outer Banks because Madeline Klein told me that she's aware that she's the Tom Holland of the group. So she was tight-lipped.
I know. I'm like, Mads didn't say anything. I was, dang. What can I say? I will just say that this season you see a different. I think the whole season is set in a very different tone than previous seasons. I mean, it's not a secret that we're dealing with a tragic loss, and how that shapes our previously innocent treasure hunting friends is really, it's a thing.
Yeah, it's definitely a thing. I think it's a thing we're all really looking forward to. I mean, I am genuinely in the middle of my Riverdale rewatch. I'm not even kidding. Like I'm in it, so I appreciate y'all talking to me about that, and I'm so excited about Outer Banks. I'm also very curious, kind of in the spirit of just like girly pop friendship vibes. I'm so in the Taylor Swift dance party sphere right now, and I saw Madelaine, you posted that our girl really needs to dance. So I'm curious, is there someone in the group that's like the best dancer? Did y'all go out dancing? Like, I need to know who's got the
Oh.
moves because clearly I know you've got the singing down, both of you. So who's got the
Her more than me.
No, we seen you.
So, that was in reference to me pole dancing, for the record. That what you saw. The final slide of that was me talking about how I need to get on a pole immediately.
Cool.
Yeah, big pole dancer over
Not a
here.
want, but a need.
I'll pole dance for you sometime.
If you could.
I will.
Everybody leave
We're
right
gonna
now.
leave. Actually, we have to. I have some things to do.
So which one of you is the best dancer? I guess we can talk about pole dancing, but does anyone
Well,
have
in
better
pole dancing, I'll
club?
kill you. Like I'm, incredible.
I'm not competing. I'm not competing.
Copy than me.
Unless you just want to see me.
Okay, iconic. I really appreciate you two both just going there with me today. I think this is one of the more fun interviews I've had in a while. So thanks for giggling.
Aw,
I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'm so excited for everyone to see this movie.
So are we.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Awesome.